We point the mouse cursor at the Insert Bar button. Press the left mouse button and hold it. We move the mouse cursor to the fixed position and release the left mouse button. The text "Enter the start point of the bar" appears on the screen. Click the left mouse button on any auxiliary grid point in the program working area. We define the starting point of the bar. Then the program prompts us to indicate the end point of the bar. By moving the mouse cursor vertically up, we measure the distance of 5 meters. After measuring this distance, we click the left mouse button and confirm the position of the bar endpoint. A solid line has appeared in the program workspace that symbolizes the inserted structure bar. After inserting the bar, the program prompts us to indicate the next endpoint of the bar. By pointing and clicking the next point, we can insert new bars. After measuring horizontally to the distance of 10 meters, click the left mouse button. Then we measure the distance of 5 meters on vertically downwards and click the left mouse button. Press the Escape button on your keyboard. The program displays information about the new location in the start bar. We can start drawing a new bar or press the Escape button on the keyboard again and exit the bar drawing function completely. In summary, we created a simple frame consisting of 3 bars. The red square that appeared at the joints of the bars means that bars are connected together in a fixed method. We draw the bars using the auxiliary grid displayed in the working area of the program.